Welcome to today's video and the beginning of a series of sorts, a beginner's guide to coffee. And this video is a beginner's guide to coffee buying. Now I know you know how to buy coffee, but what today's video is all about is helping you explore the world of coffee more easily, more enjoyably, with less mistakes. Here's the thing, if you have found a coffee that you love, be it a coffee roaster or a coffee brand, that's great. I don't want to stop you drinking that thing. I'm not going to tell you what to drink today. But part of the joy of coffee is the diversity of flavor. And whatever you're enjoying now, there's something out there that I think you could